After enjoying an avocado, carefully remove the pit without damaging it. Rinse the seed gently to remove any fruit residue, being careful not to remove the brown outer skin. This is the seed coat. The seed has two ends. The slightly pointier end is the top, and the flatter end is the bottom. Roots will sprout from the bottom, and the stem will grow from the top. Insert 3 to 4 toothpicks into the middle of the seed at a slight downward angle. These will act as support for the seed to rest on the rim of a glass or jar. Suspend the seed in a glass of water with the bottom submerged and the top exposed. Place the glass in a warm, bright spot, but avoid direct sunlight. Change the water every 2 to 3 days to keep it fresh and prevent mold or bacteria. After 2 to 8 weeks, the seed will crack open, roots will emerge from the bottom, and a stem will sprout from the top. Once the stem is about 6 inches tall and has several leaves, cut it back to 3 inches to encourage root growth. When the roots are thick and the stem has regrown, plant the seed in a pot with well-draining soil, leaving the top half of the seed exposed above the soil. Watering. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Sunlight. Place the pot in a sunny spot. Avocados love bright, indirect light. Temperature. Avocado plants thrive in temperatures between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or 15 to 29 degrees Celsius. If you live in a suitable climate, such as USDA zones 9 to 11, you can transplant the plant outdoors when it's big enough, and after the risk of frost has passed. Choose a sunny location with well-draining soil and enough space for the tree to grow. Fertilize the plant every 1 to 2 months during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer. Prune as needed to maintain shape and encourage healthy growth. Be patient. It may take 5 to 10 years for your tree to bear fruit, and some trees grown from seed may not produce fruit at all.